Looking for ways to spruce up your garage? This. Organize your garage with Rubbermaid Fast Track system. One of the things we always try to figure out is how do we maximize the storage space in our house. And one of the areas that we've always kind of avoided tackling has been our garage. But the garage tends to be the messiest place in our whole house because that's what tends to collect everything from bikes to sporting equipment to tools. It just is a magnet for things that are unorganized and things that we need, but we can never seem to find, or we're always tripping over. So in order to fix that, what we've ended up doing is purchasing a Rubbermaid Fast Track system. You can see behind me, it's a flexible system that allows you to purchase separate attachments that can clip on the wall, and you can use the attachments to hang up and organize anything that you might need. So for example, on this wall, we've got our outdoor tools, and on our wall behind you, we've used this to organize our bikes and our sporting equipment. In this video, we'll take a look at the Rubbermaid Fast Track system. We'll go through the process of installing it, and then we'll also give you our opinion as to whether or not we think it's worth purchasing and doing this all over again if we have the chance. We'll also leave a link in the description below where you can purchase the Rubbermaid Fast Track system for the best price if you think this is a good fit for your house. The Rubbermaid Fast Track system is sold in individual 4-foot sections. This allows you to purchase as many or as few as you need. It also allows you to combine it with any of the different accessories that you need depending on what your needs are. Also keep in mind that the Rubbermaid Fast Track systems are sold without the hardware packs, so you'll need to purchase at least 2, if not 3 hardware packs per section that you're going to be installing. What we did was we ended up purchasing a little bit more than what we anticipated, so that way if we ran into a problem with the stud spacing in our wall and we actually needed some additional wall anchors and screws, that we had those on hand and we didn't have to stop and go back and purchase some more just to finish the installation. So first you want to find the height of where you want to install the Fast Track. So Rubbermaid recommends installing it at 7 feet 3 inches and at 4 feet. So this is at the 7 foot 3 inch mark. So we're using the laser level here to determine the height where we need to install this. Next thing you want to do is you'll want to mark the locations of the studs on the wall. So we're going to be finding those stud locations with the stud finder. So next what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your Fast Track and put it up on the wall where you're going to be mounting it, and make sure it's lined up with the holes and with the location of where it's level. Then you'll want to mark in each position of where the screws go on each of the studs. And then you also want to mark in between every 8 inches or so. I think it's the halfway point. And this point is where you're going to install the wall anchors in the wall. So put the rail up, level it out, get it lined up over a stud, mark the locations over the studs, and then mark halfway in between for where you want to put the wall anchors. Then you can take this down and start drilling your holes. So another tip in order to help you mark the locations of all the holes for these Fast Tracks is you can go ahead and mark the location of the first screw, and then go ahead and drill a pilot hole in there and put your first screw in. That'll help you support it while you're marking the other spots. All in all, we really like the Rubbermaid Fast Track system. It's really great, really convenient, and really flexible depending on what your needs are at any given time. We can actually rearrange our garage depending on the season if we want to, and we don't have to damage the walls anymore by installing additional accessories. We just pop an accessory off the wall, remove it down the wall, or install a different accessory if we need to purchase one. So would we do this all over again? Absolutely we would. In fact, this is actually the third house that we've installed the Rubbermaid Fast Track system in. We absolutely love it, and I don't think we could live without it at this point, and just keeping our house and our garage organized and putting everything in its place. Again, if you'd like to purchase the Rubbermaid Fast Track system, we've included a link in the description below where you can go and do that. Hopefully you found this video helpful and informative. Thank you for watching. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and don't miss any of our future updates that we have on Top Homeowner, where we always strive to help you become the top homeowner in your neighborhood. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.